Ka jingsim kia jong samla kentai bat cenrang ban pelut por khambun ha ka ban yilekai bat kilan met yilade. Ban ru ban isim bynta ha ki lempung yilekai paper ki bala penlong ha keleng ki jaka. Ka penlong ye ki nong yalam khamtam ki bi yiki kam sports ban ai men si meki ban penlong ru ka jingpun ku buram ha ba ki wanra nam wanra buram. Na ka jing wanra nam job jong ki samla ka jela kentup ki kentai bat cenrang. Ha ka Shiteng Miet jong ka khan ru trik ukulal kot 8,000 General Secretary ke Bhoi District Sports Association uba Dipshan Pdiang Pdiang Sngewbha ye ki Nongwan ilekai Kingling na ka wei kelempung ye kop ye Kingling kabla tim kum ka National Canoe Slalom Championship 8,000 kabla penlong ha Maheshwar ha Madhya Pradesh ki nong ilekai jong ka jela ki bala lek bani sim banta se keti ki kop Kingling kila job hadu khandai teli ki kusnam ki bakan thop ar teli ki tak maksiar ban nyau teli ki tak marnong badru Langut na pedeng kita kinyo ban lek mikmat ya ke India sya ke Asian Games Coaching Camp kiba kentup ya uman bahalang karkrang ka Elizabeth Vincent ban Vikas Rana ki Namjop na kete lempong ki kentup ya uman bahalang karkrang boyo arteli kita kemaksiar hadin ke jingjob jongu ha ka kayak men junior bat ka kayak cross junior men nang ta Vikas Rana boyo ya ketak kemarupa ha ka kayak men senior ka Elizabeth Vincent kabayo arteli kita kemarupa kawai ha ka kayak woman senior bat kawai pan ha ka kayak cross senior woman nangta ka Purmina Rana kabayo ya ketak kemarupa ha ka woman junior u Indra Sharma bayo ya ketak kemarupa ha ka kano men junior ka Riyang ka Nongsi kabayo ya ketak kemarupa ha ka kano men junior bat u Vikas Rana ubayo ya ketak kemarupa ha ka kayak cross senior men Kumgedak jong jing Pdiang Sngewbha yeki uba Dipshan Pdiang ula Pdiang Sngewbha yeki ha Nongpoh ha ka baul ai yeki dik sentiu kum ka jing puram.
So, Bdiang ni so your experience ni la jong ya sa.
Ki long kum lo gi wa gi basti bat basi.
Ki basi da gi Bdiang ni ki long kamret khendet tambah banyak ningkong ta kalong technically la jong ta kaso sa magup dai.
Lawan matai khendet kum lo ki poi lekai ne ka jing lekai.
Poi lekai te nam ta men la jong pha ban lekai to mà men la jong patration to tại yalam la kain to tahi la sedang la kain to ski ngkong tepat sobang ra tong sedang to tong phalai adin la so ban yo le chabar don interest itu ayo motivate lain la jong tahi la sedang da yo medal kibri pang sobang to malik ngkong ya ka national selection ngakam select da tamara du to so thai on let bha next time itu matai on let bha smat ban yo select Kidan bam so tenar ro tamba kidan perlu jangan bagi lai lang ro tamba dan kibala pep dan kibaya kia buat lang yang ro tamba mentah hadin ta masa inga berwe.
How many we got? 9 medals, right?
Yes.
9 medals.
We got 9 medals.
So two gold and 7 silver.
Is it
Very different over there. It's very wider and more interesting. Not interesting, but a bit more powerful than what we are used to. Yeah.
So, my name's Mike Druce. I'm from Australia. I'm an international slalom coach, and so this is my first time in Meghalaya, and it's been an amazing experience to see the athletes and the way they're working and how hard they're working and how quickly they're improving and learning with their training, and they did a great preparation for the event and had good success. Many of them are still at the beginning of their journey, so to get these good performances now already is really amazing, and I think that there's so much potential for the sport in Meghalaya, so many great places from what Ian and Sheila have told me about for the sport in Meghalaya. So yeah, very excited about the possibilities and the future for the group. If they keep training hard, they will have more success, I think, in the sport. So it's great to see. It's been a great experience for me to coach them and see them succeed at the championships. It's the sport has been going much longer in our country, and we've had good support from the government for a long time. So it's well established at international level, and in Meghalaya it's beginning. So there's possibilities to go to this level internationally, but it's a technical sport that takes a long time. It's a long journey. Most people don't get success until maybe they've been doing it for 8, perhaps 10 years. So I see that really great potential in the future, and it's a good start on that journey. So it's the best of the athletes here are doing the same as the athletes at this age would be in Australia. But the senior athletes in Australia, they have more support, more opportunity. But these junior athletes are matching the level of many junior athletes in Australia. Yeah, I've trained young people from a lot of countries, so it's part of my job to do it in different countries. And this group, the attitude, the commitment, the training culture is really great. They work together, they help each other. Nobody's complaining. They're learning a lot. So it's been a pleasure for me. Yeah.
What is your last message for the youth of Meghalaya, maybe in participating in this sport?
I'd say come and try, and if you like it, it's a great sport for the local people here, because you have the natural conditions for the sport, and not many places in the world have such great conditions for the sport. So it's a great sport for Meghalaya to embrace, and for the young people to try and have a go. And there's many ways you can enjoy the sport, not just competing in slalom, but enjoying the rivers and building your skills for many other types of canoeing. But for canoe slalom, it's fantastic. Yeah, I would say have a go. I think you'll enjoy it. Yeah.